Symptoms of a bad oil pressure sensor. Your engine light is on, but you don't hear any knocking. Could it be your oil pressure sensor playing tricks on you? In this video, we'll dive deep into the sneaky symptoms of a bad oil pressure sensor and how to avoid a costly engine repair. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify car care for everyone. Today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad oil pressure sensor, why it's important, and what to do about it. If you're experiencing strange warnings or engine issues, this video is for you. What is an oil pressure sensor? First off, the oil pressure sensor plays a crucial role in your car. It's designed to monitor the oil pressure and send that information to your vehicle's dashboard. This helps you know if your engine is getting enough lubrication. A faulty sensor can lead to confusion or worse, engine damage if ignored. For symptoms of a bad oil pressure warning light, inconsistent gauge readings, engine performance issues, noises from the engine. Number 1. Oil pressure warning light. The dreaded oil pressure warning light. If this light comes on and stays on, it could mean your sensor is faulty, especially if you've already checked your oil level and it's fine. But here's the catch: sometimes the warning light flickers or goes off randomly. This inconsistency is a hallmark of a bad sensor. Number 2. Symptom: inconsistent gauge readings. Erratic or fluctuating readings on the oil pressure gauge. A failing sensor might cause the needle to jump or give inconsistent readings, even when the engine is running smoothly.
Number 3. Symptom: engine performance issues.
In some cases, a bad sensor can send incorrect signals to your car's ECU, which controls engine performance. This might trigger limp mode, limit acceleration, or even cause your engine to shut off to prevent damage. Number 4. Symptom: engine nose. And finally, unusual engine noises. If the sensor fails to detect low oil pressure, your engine might be running with insufficient lubrication. This can cause knocking, ticking, or grinding noises, which are warning signs of potential damage. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.